Hello friends, this is Abhiraj and today we are going to learn how to use the SpreeCommerce Admin Insights extension developed by Vinsol. In the 21st century, decisions in businesses are increasingly becoming based on data. Access to data and increasing amounts of data are influencing the way decisions are made, like never before. As an online store owner, one wishes to know which product is the best seller and which is being sold the least, as does the knowledge about the users registered on the store who are not buying anything. Also, a quick knowledge of what people are searching for on your store might be insightful. Our SpreeCommerce Admin Insights extension provides these as a solution and many more reports on a plethora of metrics for you as a Spree store owner to make better informed decisions. The reports have been categorized into 5 different categories: finance analysis, product analysis, promotion analysis, trending search analysis, and user analysis. Now let's move over to the GitHub page for Spree Admin Insights extension, which you can access by clicking the link available on our YouTube page below this video. Here you will find all of the information regarding our extension. There is also a Heroku one-click deploy button that you can use to play around with the extension. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've already deployed the extension on Heroku and logged in with the admin credentials. Here we have the admin backend in front of us. You can access the admin backend by appending admin/orders to the address of your SpreeCommerce store. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to put to use the 5 different types of reports the extension provides you as a store owner. But before I start with that, I would like to state here that there are 2 important differences between the SpreeCommerce Admin Insights extension and the SpreeCommerce Customer Segmentation extension also developed by us. 1. SpreeCommerce Customer Segmentation extension provides you data about users which fulfill a certain set of conditions that you as a store owner set, while SpreeCommerce Admin Insights extension provides you various reports on anything in the store, not limited to just users. It could be payment, order, shipping cost, etc. Second, SpreeCommerce Admin Insights extension provides you visualization using high charts, which SpreeCommerce Customer Segmentation doesn't provide. In SpreeCommerce Admin Insights extension, you can also download the reports in various formats. Now let's start with our first report. We go to the Insight section and within it, the Finance Analysis subsection. Here, under the Finance Analysis subsection, our first report is the Payment Method Transactions Count. Payment Method Transactions Count gives insight into the net value of transactions done using different payment methods on the store over 12 months in the calendar year. Here is a visualization of the same. Under the visualization, you find the data for the transaction amount of different payment methods over the 12 months. You can print the visualization or download it in 4 different formats. For the data below, you can download the same in 4 different formats, refresh the same, or reset the data to the current moment. You can also filter the payment method transactions count visualization with payments created from and payments created till date. Now let's move over to the second report, which is the Payment Method Transaction Conversion Rate. Payment Method Transaction Conversion Rate gives insight into the status of payments made using different payment methods on the store over the 12 months in the calendar year. Here you can see the visualizations of the 2 different payment methods. This helps you as a store owner to understand which payment method is failing more in comparison to the others. Now our third report, which is the Shipping Cost report, gives insight into the net shipping cost of the different shipping methods available on the store over the 12 months. Now, with the help of this visualization, you can decide which shipping method is not being used more often and probably look into it. Also, our fourth report, that is the Sales Tax report, gives insight into the net value of sales tax collected from different regions over a year. And finally, our last report in this category, the Sales Performance report, shows you the absolute and percentage of profit or loss made over the 12 calendar months. It also shows you the visualization of the net value of sale price, cost price, and promotional cost. Now, for all of the reports in this category, you can download the visualization or print the same, download the dataset, refresh the dataset, or reset the counter. You can also filter the visualization for a particular date range. Now let's move over to the second category of reports, that is the product analysis. For this particular category, there is no visualization available, but only datasets. Our first report is the best-selling products report, which shows you the data for the number of times a particular variant of a product has been sold on the store for all possible products. Now the second report in this category is the product added to cart report, which shows you how many times a particular variant of product has been added to cart and the cumulative quantity of cart addition. The third report, product removed from cart, does the same but for cart removals. The fourth report, the product updation report, is similar to the two before but gives you data on the total updation requests, net quantity of increase in cart and net quantity of decrease in cart across all users. Product show page views is our fifth report, which gives you the information about the total number of times a particular product has been viewed, the number of unique users who have viewed a particular product, and the number of times a guest user has looked into a particular product. Our sixth report, the product views to cart additions, takes it a step further by showing the cumulative quantity addition to cart for all page views and cart to view ratio for different products added to cart. Our seventh report, product views to purchases, takes it even a step further by showing the number of purchases and a purchase to view ratio for all the products that have been purchased on the store. The eighth report on the unique purchases takes a different angle and shows you the sold count and the number of users who have bought a particular variant of a product for all possible variants that have been sold for all products on the store that have been bought. The ninth and the last report in this category is the product return report, which gives you a return count for all the variants for all the products that have been bought on the store and returned afterwards. As with the previous category, for all reports in this category, you can download the dataset, refresh the data, and reset the counter. You can also filter the results for a particular date range. Next, we move on to the third category of reports, that is the promotion analysis, which has just one report, the promotional cost report. This report provides visualization and dataset on two parameters, the net value of promotional cost and the promotion usage count of different promotions running on the store over the 12 months in the calendar year. As a store owner, you can either print or download the visualization. You can download the dataset, refresh it, or reset the counter. You can also filter the results for a particular date range. Fourth category of reports is the trending search analysis, which also has just one report, the trending searches report. It provides visualization and dataset on the occurrences of top 20 keywords in search on the store. The rest of the features of the previous reports are also available. Finally, we move on to the last category of reports, that is user analysis. Here we have three reports, the first of which is the user pool report. It provides both visualization and dataset on the count of users in different stages of registration on the store for all months in the year. The last two reports are all about datasets which can run large, so there is also a feature of pagination available to the admin. Users Not Converted report provides the email ID and the sign-up date of all the users on the store who have not made a purchase yet. And finally, the last report, Users Who Purchased Recently, gives you as a store owner a purchased count, last purchase at, and last purchased order number against the email ID of all the customers on the store. Now, all of this information is available on the SpreeCommerce Admin Insights page on our website. You can also access the link which is given in the description below. You can also look at some more extensions developed by us at vinsol.com/SpreeCommerce-extensions. You can also look at some more extensions developed for SpreeCommerce at SpreeCommerce-extensions.com. You can also post your issues on the SpreeCommerce Slack, marking me @Adiraj, that is ADHIRAJ. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.